Welcome to Kolhapuri, a brand of handicrafts, a brand from Kolhapur. Again, today we are back with one of our flagship product. The product you can see over here are handmade baskets. And let me give you some gist about this cluster. The cluster of making these baskets from polymer had been started long back in 2017, where I had seen this product in one of the exhibition, and I thought that the women who are searching for some kind of job where they can work from the leisure of their own home by concentrating on their kids and by concentrating on their home. So this is the option that was explored long back in 2017, and I'm very happy to tell you that the cluster now we have developed is working with close to 250 artisans to whom we have given a direct employment. So this is the first introductory session of our flagship product, the handmade baskets. These baskets comes in 5 sizes. There are many more designs you can see on our website www.kolhapuri.com. You can directly shop over there. We keep the stuff ready so that we can dispatch it within 1 or 2 days. Let me give you some explanation about this product. This is a set of 5 baskets. This is the extra small basket. This is the small basket. This is the medium basket. This is the large basket, and this is the extra large basket. The extra large basket can carry a weight of up to 20 kgs, and believe us, we have already tried us by putting this stuff, maybe grocery or any other hard stuff, so it can definitely carry a weight of 20 kgs. Similarly, this is the large basket which can carry a weight of 15 kgs, again 10 kgs, 5 kgs, and this is a what we can say a tiffin basket where a bottle and a tiffin can easily fit over here. Also, I would like to explain, to make it more sturdy, we have given here 4 studs. You can see over here, these are the 4 studs which are packed using the male-female buttons. The male-female buttons you can see at the back. So these are very sturdy baskets. Along with this, the handle that we provide can carry a capacity. The load-bearing capacity of these baskets is very good. Here you can see these studs, the black studs we are using, which are perfect in size, which gives a good look and carry the capacity. Along with this, we also provide lids to these baskets. The lid top, you can see, you can buy it with lid or without lid. It is up to your choice. But to every basket, we provide a lid. If you want it, you can purchase it with lid, without lid. We have this option on our website too. Under the bags category, you can shop these baskets. The subcategory is classic view, and the other subcategory is classic view with lid top, so which comes with lid. The prices of these baskets starts with 699 onwards. So this basket without lid, it is around 699 plus 100 rupees is for lid. That means the whole set is 799. Again 799, 100 rupees, 899, 899, 100 rupees, 999, 999, 100 rupees, 1099, and the last comes for 1099 along with 100 rupees lid, which comes around 1199. And these rates are including shipping. So you do not have to pay any extra charges for this baskets while you shop for the shipping. As this is a bulky product, the shipping charges are very much more, and that is why these products are at bit highly priced, because this is a volumetric product and we have to and the courier partners charges us the volumetric charges. So these are the baskets. You can see, you can shop on kalapuri.com. Again, www.kalapuri.com. Thank you.